one of our expertises is also hair restoration for both men and women. And we have been using a lot of devices for hair restoration. We started out with just PRP injections, which started happening almost 5, 6 years ago. People have been doing it for years now. And then we very quickly upgraded to also using a machine, which is microneedling, which also has, uh, initially our microneedling machine was just a microneedling machine. And then we upgraded to a machine where they joined the microneedling with a radio frequency laser. And then I have like the one that is now, it can be used not only for the hair restoration but also for the face. It's called microneedling genius. It's a Korean technology. It is FDA approved in United States also. So we have been using that for a couple of years now. My claim to fame is that for PRP, we also, before we start extracting your stem cells, we make sure that you have great stem cells. So we basically start giving you infusions to really promote better functioning cells, because your body is nothing but chemical reactions happening under your skin. And the quality of your stem cells also matters. So when we do PRP, which is platelet rich plasma, we make sure that we start you out with our infusions first. So we have intravenous infusions, vitamin infusions, which basically enhance your results. So not only they help you grow hair naturally, but also the stem cells that we then extract and place back into your scalp are just better quality. And we also combine our PRP with exosomes, should somebody need. But normally it's just a vitamin infusion full of some vitamin C, glutathiones, all the B vitamins, biotin, a liver cleanse, which everybody loves. And so not only it gives you like a lot of minerals, because remember, one of the reasons that you lose hair as you age is because your body is unable to extract all the minerals and nutrients from your system and supply it to some of the end organs. So everything starts dying out. So we basically draw your blood, we spin it, we take out some of the red cells, and we basically take just your plasma, the clear component, clear part of your blood. And that is the blood which has a lot of interleukins. It has a lot of different metabolites of your blood, which basically we not only take out and then we have to inject it back into your hair, which will help basically grow and provide nutrients to the area. Because one of the concepts for hair loss is that the hair is not getting all the adequate, especially the newly growing hair, the smaller cells, they just never grow to their full capacity because they're just not getting the nourishment.